this is the last video on this automation playlist specifically. So if we come over here, we've already discussed this. This is essentially just the file path. This is essentially just the file path declaration. Let's see. So now we're going to talk about this. So this third line right here is called process security. So we could ask for more information, but for now, it uses the default security from the process, so we're not adding any extra security, I guess, to the software. Now this is the thread security, uses default security for our main thread, so I personally don't use these two, so there's no reason for me, but we might make some extra videos in the future on all these and playing around with them and see what we can do. Let's see, so next is a Boolean value property called inherit handles. False means no handles shared from parent. I'm not too sure exactly what that means, but clearly there's some kind of tree of data. There's only two possible options, so there's not much that can be done with that, so it should be simple, but we can figure out what we can do. So secret flag 0 means no special options or flags used. So let's see, environment null inherits parent processes the environment variables. Current directory null uses the same folder as the parent program. Okay. Interesting. So this is basically just another file path, I suppose. More folder file information. Since startup info provides the Windows display settings from startup info. So this is what we really needed. It's really just these three that you need. The rest can be set to null, 0, or false. So basically they're all 0. Null is 0, 0, 0. It's all false. False, 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 false. True, true, true. Those are some actual values. So let's see, process info gets filled with the process, and so basically this is the final line that basically processes all the information attributes before that. This gets, let's see, display settings from startup info. I wonder why it's at the end, but I'm not too sure. So anyways, once that gets processed and these arguments are ran, if it runs successfully, this prints. This closes the new process to free the system resources. Close handle, and this pi.h process. So if you come up and you look at this right here, you have si and pi. So si gets called right here, and I believe this and right here is meant to be for like inclusion. You can look that up. Is this for inclusion? Something like that. This is how you do it. This is how you use it when you learn specifically. So yeah, but basically they pass structure addresses so Windows can write startup and process details back into it. Basically, you're using your CPU when you're using a thread. But essentially, that is the whole process of automation. So I've done it for most of them. So if we come over here, I've done it for Chrome. So if I type 1, Chrome comes up. If I type 2, of course, comes up. Later on, you can be more specific with selection, but for now, I'm not. The Notepad, Blender, Unreal Engine. I believe Unreal Engine works fine, but I believe it'll give me a tutorial. Let me show you what it looks like. We're gonna have to fix that later. Oh well. Okay. Good practice, don't forget. This too. We'll add more. We'll learn more about it later and practice with it more. But for now, we still have to add all the other softwares. Alright, so if you want to learn more about this process and what I've done with it, you can come to this playlist right here. We're going to console applications, and we can scroll all the way down to the bottom down here. Start at 987, and basically you start